You know how AI art has been everywhere lately? Well, forget everything you've seen before. There's a new player in town called Reve.art, and it's not just another copycat. This thing is so good at handling text and human figures, it's making other AI look like they're stuck in 2023. And get this, it's actually affordable. Curious? Let me show you why Reve.art is blowing minds and emptying the offices of graphic designers everywhere. Today we're diving deep into Reve.art, the cutting-edge AI image generator that's redefining what's possible in AI-powered creativity. Whether you're a content creator, small business owner, or just someone curious about the latest tech innovations, you'll want to know about this remarkable tool. Reve.art, pronounced Rev, is a text-to-image AI generator developed by California-based Reve Inc. Launched in early 2025, its flagship model, Reve Image 1.0, codenamed Half Moon, transforms text descriptions into high-quality, detailed images with remarkable precision. What sets Reve.art apart is its advanced generation process. This sophisticated approach allows Rev to handle complex prompts with incredible accuracy, addressing common pain points where other AI image generators struggle. One of Reve.art's most groundbreaking features is its exceptional typography and text handling. Have you ever tried to create an AI image with text, only to get gibberish results? Reve.art solves this problem brilliantly with context-aware text placement and style-consistent lettering. In testing, Reve was the only AI generator to produce correct text, while competitors failed spectacularly. But how does Reve.art stack up against the competition? In blind testing, Reve.art consistently outperformed leading competitors across various metrics. It ranked above previous leaders and received top ratings for realism, style versatility, and prompt understanding. One area where Reve truly shines is in generating realistic human figures. Whether it's editorial portraits or candid-looking photography, the quality of human imagery is absolutely incredible. In a recent study, most participants couldn't distinguish between Reve-generated portraits and real photographs, a testament to its exceptional capabilities. Here's where it gets really interesting. Reve delivers this superior performance at a fraction of the cost of its competitors. Reve costs approximately $5 per $500 image generations, compared to Midjourney Pro at $120 or Flux Enterprise at over $300. Plus, Reve offers a generous free tier of daily images with full commercial usage rights. Now let me show you just how easy it is to use Reve.art. I'm going to create an image right here, right now. First, I'll type in a prompt. A futuristic cityscape with flying cars and holographic billboards at sunset, and in cyberpunk style. Watch this. In just a few seconds, Reve.art has generated 4 unique variations of my described scene. But wait, there's more. Let's say I want to make some changes. I'll use the real-time editing feature and type, add a giant robot in the foreground. Boom! Reve.art has seamlessly integrated a towering mech into our futuristic city without regenerating the entire image. This level of control and flexibility is what makes Reve.art so powerful. You're not just generating images, you're crafting and refining your vision in real time. The possibilities with Reve.art are vast. Content creators can generate thumbnails and illustrations in minutes. Small businesses can create product mock-ups and marketing visuals without hiring expensive designers. Writers can visualize book scenes for cover art. And educators can produce custom diagrams that bring lessons to life. Of course, no technology is perfect. Some users note that Reve.art may sometimes lack creative flair, sticking closely to prompts. As a newer platform, it also lacks the established community of some competitors. However, these minor drawbacks are far outweighed by its impressive capabilities and value proposition. Since its launch, hundreds of thousands of users have signed up, generating millions of images with Reve.art. That's a clear indication of its impact on the creative landscape. Have you tried Reve.art yet? What would you create with this powerful new tool? Drop a comment below sharing your thoughts or experiences. And if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button to AI with TechSnap to stay ahead on the AI technology.